Show quick here, there's a tripod stand, then here the Wasabi Power handheld stick, what is like a fraction of what GoPro would charge you for. Then we have the media mod plugged in to charge with the microphone and stuff, and then here this light. Here's what I have here, the Lume Cube light, what I cannot recommend because the battery lasts only a year on this, and then they don't have any replacement batteries, and it's just way too expensive to not have a replaceable battery in there. That's really the only problem with that one. But you could connect the Wasabi also to here, to the light, and then have power for the light if you need to. That's how that looks like. What they call this at GoPro, they call this Volta. So I'm recording this with the GoPro Volta Equivalent. You know, this is like a third-party powered selfie stick, and the GoPro media mod. And I can record all day in theory, but my problem is I am recording in 5.3K 60 and it will overheat. No matter how much battery you have or not, it's gonna overheat. So here I'm in with my trusted phone here, and I want to show you my solar panel setup. So I'm gonna open up the software for it, the Victron Connect software, and let me show this. I'm gonna record in 1-0 now. So the recording starts now, and I'm gonna start this. So you can see here on the right side. You can see this on my phone, that we are charging my battery right now with 100 milliamps. We do have no sunlight whatsoever. Let's look up there, the sun. Can you see it? It's up there. And here's my solar panels. And as you can see, there is not much power coming out of it. Okay, so now 8 more hands. Oops, I by accident touched buttons on my phone. Yeah, I have to open my lock. How do you like my lock? It's great, right? In case somebody wants to get in here. Well, it's not so easy because the dog is watching my setup. So, okay, the power wire from the panel goes in here to this controller here, a smart solar charge controller. It does 75 volts and 10 amp, Bluetooth and everything, you know. Right now the blue light is on down here, and with that I do power here. Where is it? There is an LED light, like a strip. And if I go here, turn this off, then my light turns on. So it's on all the time now. And if I turn on the street light function, then it acts like a street light. So when the street lights come on, this thing comes on. And then in the morning, when it's bright enough, it turns it off again. It's called street light function. And then, yeah, so I have my data here. Let me turn the street lights on. Here's street light on. And then we look at load output. So we are running 11 watts. 0.9 amp is to power those lights. That's what it takes. And then on the battery, we see we take all that out of the battery in the moment because there is not enough solar power to collect anything, to make anything, not from those cells, right? So maybe there is better cells out there that can create more power, or I need more cells, I don't know. So I think the Harbor Freight ones are not the greatest, so I need something more efficient from the looks of it. And the next week we have a lot of rain. Let me turn that off again. So I don't expect a lot of power to be generated. This also has, you see this here, the trend thing. So it's not making much power. Right, so I'm gonna go here now and close my shed up where the power is utilized and generated. Here the dog is waiting patiently for me to lock my shed again. Yes, so this is how this goes with the solar panel. See this here again. So you can see how slowly it does the current. There is a drop-down menu. Lucy, hey. That's enough. Shh. Enough. Quiet. Shh. No. Quiet. No. Quiet. Quiet. No. You're too loud. That dog is crazy. If it hears a fire truck in like 10 miles away, it makes that noise. It cannot handle it. Oh, someone was detected in my backyard. That's me walking through here. Alright. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. I give a shout out to the fish here. Upper right corner, if you click on that, to his channel. He also has a solar setup, but he has it on the top of his roof, while I'm like limited to my yard. It's going to be more difficult for me when the trees have leaves, but other than that, you have to see. So the reason why I have the solar setup, I want to charge the battery for my lawnmower, for my electric bike and all that, but with this amount of voltage generated, there is no way that I can do that.